Hello guys, welcome back. To get started, I just have this picture, open in Photoshop, select the lasso tool, and then roughly trace around the object you'd like to remove. Once you've made your selection, use the Shift F5 keyboard shortcut to bring up the fill settings. It should already be set to content aware, but you might need to check color adaption to get a more accurate result. And now, when I hit OK, it'll simply remove the object from my background. You will probably get a decent result. I'm satisfied with this. Now, let's move to a different way to remove. Undo to bring back the removed object. First, you will need to select the patch tool, or just press the J key on your keyboard, then draw around the object you would like to remove. Now, you can drag your selection to sample a different part of the image to replace with the current part. This technique works really well when you have a repeatable pattern in the background. Alright, this looks good, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.